Tired of chasing down paper checks and want your paycheck deposited directly into your bank account? First, open the Paycom app on your mobile device and log in using your username and password. If you're using a web browser, go to paycom.com and log in there. Once you're logged in, locate the profile icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen or in the main menu on the web browser. Tap on it. In the profile section, scroll down until you see an option labeled Payment Methods or Direct Deposit. It might be under a banking section. Tap on it. Now, you should see a screen displaying your current payment methods. If you don't have any yet, it will be blank. Tap the Add Account button. Fill out the required information. You will need your bank's routing number and your account number. These are typically found on your checks or through your bank's website or app. Carefully double-check these numbers. After you've entered all the details, carefully review everything one more time to make sure it's accurate. Then tap the Save or Submit button at the bottom of the screen. You might need to verify the deposit with your bank. Once approved, you're all set to receive payments from Paycom.